guys, this is my very first toy review of the 10th of anything for my YouTube channel. Open that. Give me a break and I'll open this 10th adapter up. Alright, so this head moves from side to side. Arms go back and forth. The hands rotate, bend at the elbow. Bends at the knees. And then this is the sonic screwdriver for the 10th Doctor. By the way, if you guys watch Venturiantale, don't you dare put this video in the comments. That's what I'm doing. Sonic screwdriver into your house and then face off. Give me a second and I'll put this guy on display. Also, this kind of looks like it's hardest on the side, but it says DW. You can't see. So yeah, just give me a sec. There he is on display using the sonic screwdriver. And that's basically it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.